see the damage already. Oh my goodness. What's up, guys? Hope you guys are having a super amazing day. Hopefully it's way warmer wherever you are, because right here in Washington I'm waiting for like spring to come and stuff. But it's so windy, guys. It is so windy. It is so cold. We're in the single digits right now. Oh, está bien frío. But I came outside, guys, because I was inside and I heard a very, very loud bang. And oh crap. Wow. Look at this, guys. I'm gonna have to redo my fence. Oh my gate. Okay, so it was actually banging in la noche. I was like, oh my goodness, ¿qué es eso? ¿Qué se oye? Look at this. You guys see that? Yep. My fence did that. But I can just see the damage already. Oh my goodness. I definitely need to take down this whole gate and redo it. I mean, it's slanting también. This should be more. Oh my goodness. It looks horrible. And to think that it moved the pallet. What happened to this one? Mi arbolito, no. Did it oh, look at the damage. Oh, it wasn't supposed to be this windy, guys. And that's that it's already calmed down. What am I supposed to do? Bring this back? Is it, will it even, oh, I'm so sorry, tree. You're dead now. I can't even bring it back. Okay, I'm gonna have to take that off. Let me move this pallet so that it can be closer to this door para que ya no se vaya tanto para allá. Look at my grass. It effing took it out. Te digo que ya no está tanto, pero de todos modos, you can still see it. Oh, it's so cold, so cold. It was actually snowing. It was snowing earlier, which is so weird. So cold, so cold. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go and get some stuff to fix my gate. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day. Bye.